So you landed on this video because you heard Nowsite Marketing just updated their team section. You want to see what that's all about. I'm going to show it to you. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? It's Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, 6 to 7 figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, including this one. And hey, wait, I got that news that you can use. You already know. And what that news is today is I'm just going to show you this team section and how robust it is and what it's all about. Okay, so let's just dive right in. So you say, what is the team section? Okay, what is that all about? Well, picture the team section being like Dropbox. Okay, so you got Dropbox, but with a little bit more features. Okay, so let me show you what we talk about. So you come up here to the top, you go to your team section. Right now, right away, you're going to notice something. Okay, a couple of things. Let's go to manage team first. We're going to go in reverse. Okay, so you see it says team content, but I want to go to manage teams first, because when you go to manage teams, you can see, you know, people that's in your team, and you can approve them, or you can delete them, or you can make it so that anybody can join, or you can make it so that like I said, you have to approve them before they can join. Okay, you over here, you see that you have most other teams. These are teams I can join, like my man Melvin. Y'all might have seen him on YouTube as well. I can go to his group, or my son Duffy. You've seen him on YouTube as well. On Instapopping, I can go to his, and then I'll get their content. Okay, whatever they put back here. So like right now, you see these are things I left for my elites. You know, okay. Well, you don't see it yet. It's in the team content part. So if I go to team content, right, then you'll see the stuff that I leave for my team. See, software and team downloads, all this stuff for them to download. Monday team training, they can access the Zoom instantly right there. See, PLR products that we sell. Okay, so a bunch of those, you know, launch your own product, get started right now. So that's to get started, right? And then all the websites that I've already created that they can use too. So they want to use one of my websites, they can just copy, see right here, it says add to websites, and they have it. So like I said, it's like Dropbox on steroids. Okay, you see, I got my evergreen webinars, you got the email campaigns and things. All right, so then same thing. If I wanted to go, let's say, to Melvin's and see what he had to offer, see, you see that whole section change, and these are his things now. This is what he has to offer. Okay, so you might have a team, you might be an insurance agent, you got stuff back there for your agents. You might be in real estate, and you got all the real estate listings back here. Like, you know, it doesn't have to just be Nowsite. Any business that you're in, any brand you're trying to promote, could be back here. Okay. Then let's say, you know, your team, everybody's in your team, you want to chat with them. Well, look right here. I can chat with my team, my entire team, or a fraction of my team. So picture this kind of like Messenger, you know, Facebook Messenger, same thing. The only difference is you don't want your people on Messenger when you're trying to do business, because they're going to get distracted, right? So look, you can come right here, talk to your team. Okay, and again, just like before, I can segment this. I can be like, okay, I want to talk to my entire team, or I just want to talk to a fraction of my team. Okay, I want to talk to some of the team. So I can come up in here and say, have a blessed day. Blessed and prosperous. Okay. So right there, and then send that out. Now my team's got that. So everybody else on my team, all these people, they got that message. And it sends out a notification to the phone. So now they get notified that this message is there, right? Real powerful stuff. No, real powerful stuff. So you got your chat, okay, feature. I can do it to individuals, I can do it to teams, so forth and so on. You got your team management feature where you can actually join a team. So I can come up in here, let's say you add a team, I can search for it, you know, put in some keywords and see who has a team out there. You know what I mean? So let me see if I can find one real fast. I know somebody used the word Nowsite for sure. See? So these are all people that use that word, and, you know, these are their teams. So if I want to join one of these teams, I can join one of their teams and then be instant. Also, when you become part of Nowsite Corporate, this is how corporate shares their information. So you come right here to Nowsite Marketing. This is all the stuff that corporate has in their team section for us to be able to use. So we can come back here and then get access. Hold on, we go to the content part. We can go right here and then get access to whatever they left for us. So we go here at Nowsite Marketing and then see we got the training. They got the 1, 2, 3 Go special, Nerd Stock, which was an event, so forth and so on. Okay. So that is your team section. And again, every video ain't gonna be long and drawn out. We're gonna get to the point, you know, most of the time. Like all the time. We're gonna get to the point. So sometimes it's gonna be longer, sometimes it's gonna be shorter. So that's the team section, you know, short but long in value. All right. So like what you see, ready to get started with Nowsite? You know what to do. GetMoneyLikeABoss.com. Hit that link below. Or give me a call, 619-306-9453. You got questions, I got answers. If you want to know all the things I have going on, okay, a couple things you can do. You want to see the top income opportunities I'm in that makes me $5,000 to $10,000 or more a month, then you can either see that QR code that's been sitting there this whole time. Actually get your phone, open up the camera, put it in front of that, and scan it. Or if you say, I ain't trying to do all that, then you can text the word money to 702-553-3326, and I'll personally text you back my top income opportunities. All right. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified when I do these kind of videos. And don't forget to hit the bell as well. That way you get notified. All right. All right, man, I appreciate you, as always. See you on the next one. Until then, have a blessed day.